Okay, hello, welcome to ShipReq. I'm just going to log in, create a new project just for this. Okay, let's go to the rec table, and this is where we start creating our requirements. Let's see. Count. I'll turn this column off. So here we're imagining we're creating an app like Pastebin. Cool, so now we've got our two major features. Let's have a look at the priority column. So these already have must as per their priority because we've used it as a tag. We can also jump in here and specify a different value. That's highlighted as an error because in config you can't have two different priorities. So let's go back here, have a look at tags. This is our configuration panel. And you can see that these are just user defined. They're not hard coded. Change the colors while I'm here. Just make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, let's go back to our rec table. And now we're going to start creating some functional requirements. I'm going to add major feature as a column, so we can associate these. All right, so let's start with number 1. Users should be able to register and log in using a Google account. Whoops. I used, okay. Google account, let's see what else. Apple account. And let's see. Facebook account. Move on to number 2. Users should be able to upload text files. View their text files. Delete their text files. And share their text files. Okay. Now that we've also got a detail column as well. Let's go to this one about sharing. Where is it there? So I could say there are a few ways to accomplish this. Now I'm feeling a bit claustrophobic here. There's not much space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go directly to this requirement and then I'm going to finish editing it here. And this is rich text, so you can do stuff like this. Potential solutions. There are a few ways to accomplish this. Blah, blah. So you can get help here for what kind of rich markup you can do. For example, this bit here is cool. You can render HTML or you can render GraphViz. You can also do maths. So E equals MC squared. You can move this preview editor around, this editor preview around, sorry. You can close it. You can go full screen if you want, like Zen mode. Yeah. So I'm going to save that now. Let's see, what else? Oh, you can also put some to-dos in here as well. So let's say I want to do this. See how other apps handle this. So I can put a to-do directly in there. Now I'm going to go back to the main screen. You can see I've got an issue here. There's one issue, and that's user defined, and that's the one I've just created. I can edit that. Ask Bob, for example. I can edit that directly in this view. Like most things in ShipReq, nothing's hard-coded, or hardly anything's hard-coded. If I go over here and have a look at my issues config, you can see that I've just defined to-do here. Yeah, it's completely user-defined. I can even delete it if I want to. If I go back here, we've got one issue, but this time the issue type is bad data. It's saying that we've got a deleted issue tag in use. So I'm just going to go ahead and restore that here. That's all for now. Thank you.